Hello, this
Hello,
is Ami.
and I'm Stephanie, and
Yeah, Corwana Aiden.
mhm,
This are
and
Go
go
ahead.
on, go on. Sorry.
This is our project, group project, project 3. In this project, we are going to share with you a code that we built in order to compute a future investment value, how much you'll get if you invest something today within the 30 years. So this code will enable you to guess or predict how much you will make a benefit or how much the interest rate will be within like 30 years. So simply the code is just in computing the future investment. Here is the group names, the header block, and small description of our project group, and writing a method that computes the future investment value to a given interest rate for a specific number of years. The future investment is determined by using the following formula: the number of years, 12, and future investment value. So the number of months is 12 is the number of months, and this the number of years is 12 years, 30 years. Future investment value is equal to investment. We use this formula simply, and this we are doing for quite some time. The bubble class and bubble class project and bubble class void main. So this all we're doing quite some time. First, I will let you my partner, Ms. Stephanie, and we'll explain in details with the code, and we'll come back to the analysis at the end of the video. So, Stephanie, welcome.
All right. So when we're given the program, the first thing we know that the program requires the user input. That would mean a scanner class is going to be used. So I first implement that in the program. The double data type is also involved too. It contains decimal number for both investment and interest is. And so I put down print line and quote enter investment amount, and then double investment amount equal input dot next double. And I did the same thing for the yearly interest rate. So because I have a very good understanding of accounting and interest rate, and a quick Google search on how to calculate the monthly interest, and it said that I had to divide the yearly interest rate by 12 months, but to get the monthly interest rate, I have to multiply the 12 to 100 since the 100 represents the 100% interest. So hence why I got a the double monthly interest rate equals yearly interest rate times 12,000. I let do the fast talk. The other I have to program.
Thank you very much. First and foremost, this program, the whole thing we use, the main thing that we're using was the loop, the while loop, and also we use using the while loop, we set some conditions, and then if that's true, and then the next one else. So first we use conditions. Also, we use the Boolean and double data types since we are going to use different numbers, decimals, and features. So that's also was one thing we use a bit. And then at the end of the program, just everything we pass it in its value. So that's like in every variable we pass to a value, and then so symbol we can print out here since print out, and then print out. So we print everything that we pass to the value and or we assign to something, and then here's the end of the program. So and the problems that we faced where we are running this program was almost just the same thing that happens every time we're running the program. So Stephanie, can you run the program and then we can share with them like how it goes, and we can take some random numbers.
All right. So let's test this out. So the investment amount would be 1980. Then a year interest will be 10. Oops, wait, here we go.
Yeah. Right here we put the investment of the year, the investment amount, and the interest rate of the yearly interest rate or annual interest rate. Then here is how it will be the future investments values will change through the time in a